Okay, Cool Geeks TNT. My name is Dario, back again with another unboxing. This one I'm happy to unbox the brand new MacBook Air 2018. This is the latest edition of the 13-inch MacBook Air, the gold color. Now, the last two editions of the MacBook Air have not been updated. This one, however, has been. So, there would have been a rush on for everyone to get this new MacBook Air. And what makes this so special is that they included, before the previous versions, the LED displays. The displays were not of the best quality. This one now sports a Retina display, and this also has Touch ID, which is so nice to get onto your laptop. Is just use your finger and it logs right in very quickly. Not to mention, it's very fast. It supports a 1.6 gigahertz dual-core Intel i5 processor, 4 megabytes level 3 cache, 8 gigs of RAM, DDR3 SDRAM, and this is the base model of 128 gigabyte. Of course, Intel processor, and now these, as usual, it comes with just 2 Thunderbolt micro USB-C ports, right? And yeah, it's very nice, and a headphone jack. That's just about it, right? Unfortunately, someone was a little excited, so they peeled the wrapper before I got to unbox it. So unfortunately, no wrapper, but will not take away from the experience. Here we go. And of course, with this model, it shows the box, and it shows the color on the box. So you have the gold MacBook Air. It looks kind of gold, somewhat pinkish, so this is nice for a girl. All right. Now I'm using the 2017 MacBook Pro, and you can see how thin this is, and the thickness is just as thin as the MacBook Air. So let's continue with the unboxing. I'll do a quick comparison of the size and display. Right, so it's a nice gold color. I think it looks a little more rose gold. Does look, I don't know if the light you can see, but it may not pick it up, but it looks a little more rose gold than gold. Obviously this will not be for me to use. I like my space gray. Alright, what comes in the box? Normal. Oh, we have some nice gold Apple stickers as well. Charging block. Alright. Let's put this to the side as well. Alright, if we compare, wow, this is very, very build quality as usual is top grade, and you can see how thin it is. Now it starts, it's a little thicker to the back, and then it gets thinner to the front. Unlike the Pro, this is the same thickness going all along. Alright. Size wise, same size. Thickness, you can see that there. Both, right? And let's look at the ports. Nice gold, no longer the glowing Apple logo. The 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and the other side just 3.5 headphone jack. Right? Open it up. Now Now this has also the improved keyboard, the butterfly keyboard, and of course once the laptop is open, it automatically powers on. So we have there's the first boot. Nice big trackpad. And to the right, sorry, we have the fingerprint scanner. Alright.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. So that was a quick unboxing of the 2018 MacBook Air World Vision, and I'm sure the performance will be just as good as the new MacBooks and also the MacBook Pro. Not as fast, but very good specs. They should be able to do video editing somewhat good enough. Again, to the sides we have the speakers also improve, and that was it. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Peace out.